Hello everyone. The concept of this month is 10 worlds. The purpose of Buddhist practice is to strengthen our inner state of life. How is that? The same set of condition. For example, the same workplace is perceived by one person as unremitting misery and for another as a source of thrilling challenge and satisfaction. Sensei says that the answer is found in the condition of people's heart, on the state of their life itself. The purpose of Buddhist practice is to strengthen our inner state of life so that instead of remaining a victim of our circumstances, we can be empowered and take control. Nichiren Daishonin explains this through a concept known as the 10 worlds. These 10 worlds represent 10 life states that a human being can at any given point of time. These 10 states are hell, hunger, animality, anger, humanity, heaven, realization, bodhisattva, and Buddhahood.
Hello everyone. As we all know, our concept is 10 worlds and I will be explaining you the first world, that is world of hell. It is characterized by extreme suffering and despair in which one feels completely helpless. Those in this state have extremely weak life force. Now I will explain this concept through enactment. Whole day dusting, cooking, whole day I am working. Oh, I am feeling so upset. I don't know why I am alive. I lost my job during this pandemic. No source of income, no maid.
Mama!
See, now again kids are calling me and again I have to cook something or another for them. Throughout the day I am working and working. Frustrating situation. See, locked in the house and only the thing is to do the work. Feeling so helpless, can't cope up this pressure, really feeling like finishing myself.
Hello everyone. Now I will be explaining about the second world, that is world of hunger. It is characterized by endless selfish desire for wealth, fame and pleasure that can never be satisfied. In this state, one is at the mercy of craving and cannot control them. Now I will explain through enactment. Oh God, मैं परेशान हो गई इस कोरोना से. पूरा दिन काम काम काम, ना बच्चे सुनते हैं ना पति सुनता है. See that Komal Bhabhi, she has full-time maid. She doesn't even cook also. What can I do? पूरा दिन मेरा किचन में जाता है. When I asked for my husband, he directly refused. He can't afford the maid. What can I do? See that lady? She did shopping in this pandemic also. See my life. I'm totally fed up of this life.
Word of animality, a condition which is lacking in a reason, mortality or wisdom. This life state is ruled by the law of jungle, where one fears the strong and bullies the weak.
कल एग्जाम है. सुबह तुम्हारा मोबाइल, दोपहर को मोबाइल, रात को मोबाइल. पढ़ना कब है? Have you forgotten? You are in class 12th. Have you forgotten that? हाँ? मेरे को नहीं मालूम, जो मर्जी कर.
हेलो जोत्सना मैडम, गुड मॉर्निंग.
यस सर.
हाँ मैडम, कुछ आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है? क्या हो रहा है? क्लासेस में कोई दिक्कत आ रही है आपको?
सर वो नेटवर्क.
क्या नेटवर्क इश्यूज है मैडम? नेटवर्क इश्यूज में क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई है? हैं? सैलरी लेने के लिए कोई नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. हैं? इसमें नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होती है. दैट इज योर प्रॉब्लम. आप अपना देखिए, नेट चेंज कराइए. मैनेजमेंट इज गोइंग टू टेक वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन अगेंस्ट यू. आई एम गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स. इसको ठीक करा लीजिए आप, नहीं तो कोई सैलरी वैली नहीं मिलेगा आपको.
The fourth world is the world of anger. It is characterized by one's strong attachment to the idea of one's own superiority and need to surpass everyone at any cost. They cannot understand other people as they are. Now this state will be explained through the help of an enactment.
Hi, Anshmita, what's up? Oh, hi, Manjeera. I'm good. How are you? I'm also fine. Oh, I see you've got a new Gucci handbag. And that belongs to the latest collection. Yeah, and did you notice my phone as well? Oh, let me see. Oh, my God. That's so cool. Thank you. Anshmita, I'll catch up with you later. I have to go somewhere. Yeah, sure. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. What does she think of herself? 2 years back, my father went to Paris and he bought a Versace bag for me. Plus, I think that bag would look prettier on me. Like, I'm so prettier than her. She's nothing as compared to me. Huh.
These four states are referred as the four evil paths because of the destructive negativity that marks them.
This is the fifth world, world of humanity. It is characterized by a tranquil state, marked by the ability to reason and make calm judgments. In this state, one tries to control one's desire and impulses with reason and acts in harmony with the surroundings and people, while also aspiring for a higher state of life. However, it is a passive state of life. One can easily shift from humanity into the lower four worlds when confronted with negative conditions. Now I will show you by an act.
नो हमारी कंपनी में कितना सारा लॉस हो गया. ऐसे कोई काम करता है क्या? अगली बार से अच्छा काम नहीं हुआ ना तो मैं कंपनी से निकाल दूंगी. ठीक है ना? याद रहे ये बात. इतना सारा लॉस हो गया, अब क्या होगा हमारी कंपनी का? ओह नो, शिट.
वाओ, हमारी कंपनी ने कितना अच्छा प्रॉफिट अर्न किया है. मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. हेलो, हाय, कैसी है? मैं तो बढ़िया. तू बता. बस सब बढ़िया. पता है हमारी कंपनी ने कितना अच्छा प्रॉफिट अर्न किया है. मैं तो उनके हार्डवर्क से इतनी खुश हूँ ना, इतनी खुश हूँ तो क्या बताऊँ. जैसे लग रहा है कहीं पहुँच गई हूँ मैं. हाँ, बहुत खुश हूँ बहुत. उन्होंने इतना हार्डवर्क किया है, रात दिन भर लगा के उन्होंने इतना अच्छा मतलब कंपनी का प्रॉफिट्स अर्न किया है. मैं बहुत 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 खुश हूँ. थैंक. ओके ओके, चल बाय.
This is the sixth world I'm going to share with you. The world of heavenly beings or rapture. A state of joy and contentment. Experienced when one's desires are fulfilled or when one is relieved of sufferings. The joy experienced in this state is temporary and may easily change with the circumstances. Now Parishi and I am going to show you this through a small enactment. Thank you. हेलो. हाँ दीदी, मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं? यस. वाओ. ठीक है, आई एम कमिंग विद परिशी. पक्का. या 3 o'clock. आज हम दीदी के घर जाएंगे आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग लॉकडाउन. यस, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. लेट मी टेल परिशी. Parishi!
हाँ मम्मा.
Come. Parishi, today we are going to Masi's place.
Wow.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So let's go to Masi's place. Go get ready fast.
Okay मम्मा.
She's getting ready. Wow. ये किसका फोन आ रहा है? पारुल? क्या हुआ? हेलो? हाँ जी पारुल. मम्मा की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, क्या हुआ? Oh. Okay, you don't worry. Please don't worry. I'm coming there. Yeah. Please don't worry. पारुल की मम्मा की तबीयत बहुत खराब है. I'll have to go there. I'll have to support her. I was so excited, but she was so excited. But now I'll have to cancel the plan. कोई बात नहीं. Parishi, come.
हाँ मम्मा.
Parishi, you know what? अभी पारुल आंटी का फोन आया था और पारुल आंटी ने बोला कि उनकी मम्मा की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है सर. तो अब हम नहीं जाएंगे. बहुत बुरा हुआ ना. तो अब हम मासी के घर नहीं जाएंगे. ठीक है, हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम चलेंगे मासी के घर. आप जाओ अपनी स्टडीज कर लो. ओके, गो. The sixth state from hell to rupture are called six paths or six lower worlds. The remaining states are what Buddhism refers as four noble paths. They are characterized by efforts to live with integrity, inner freedom, and compassion.
Of learning, a state wherein one dedicates oneself to creating a better life by learning from the knowledge and experience of others.
हेलो जिया, हाउ आर यू बेटा?
I'm not at all good, Mom.
क्यों, क्या हुआ बेटा?
Mom, लॉकडाउन के समय में ना तो मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिल पा रही हूँ, ना बाहर जा पा रही हूँ और ना उनसे बात कर पा रही हूँ. और आप तो पूरा दिन खुश रहते हो, इतना हैप्पी रहते हो. मेड भी नहीं है तब भी, एंड आप कभी भी टायर्ड नहीं होते हो. कैसे?
Yes बेटा, this is all because I follow Buddhism. I say my morning and evening prayers regularly, and you know that gives me strength.
Oh, it sounds good. So Mom, क्या आप मुझे भी सिखाओगे?
Sure beta, sure.
The eighth world is the world of realization. It is a state where one tries to free oneself of the suffering of the six lower paths by seeing some truth through one's own observation, effort, and concentration.
Oh, bro! Oh, what happened? Why are you so sad? Is everything okay? I'm upset because of this coronavirus. Like, many people are dying and lots of people have lost their jobs. There's so much of uncertainty everywhere. I see. We have Gonzon with us. We have the biggest power with us. And we can use it to fight this virus together. And the entire BSG is chanting in alliance from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. You should also join it with us. And we'll chant about it, okay? Yeah. And I'll also ask my senior leaders to chant about it, okay? Okay. Plus, we've got Future Division Times. You can read it, and Sensei has written so many things about youth over here. And whenever you feel low, just go through this Future Division Times. It will surely raise up your morals. Okay, I'll.
The ninth world is Bodhisattva. Bodhi means enlightenment and Sattva means person. Means a person who seeks enlightenment while also leading others to the same. It is a state of compassion in which one thinks of works for the happiness of others. Herein, one strives to overcome the restraint of egoism and works tirelessly for the welfare of others.
10th world of Buddhahood, a state of absolute completeness, purity, freedom, compassion, courage, and boundless wisdom to recognize and ultimate reality of lives. Attaining Buddhahood doesn't mean becoming a special being, but to continue to work against and defeat the negative functions of life and transform all difficulties into cause for growth. Thank you.
The key to transforming a state of state from any of the lower worlds to the world of Buddhahood lies in chanting Daimoku with faith in the Gonzon. No matter what life state we may be in, we have the potential to manifest Buddhahood. President Ikeda states, I quote, "The doctrine of the 10 world is like a mirror. As we gaze into it, we can see the true aspect of our own lives. It also enables us to perceive correctly the lives of others and society and understand what we can do to contribute to others' well-being. If our basic tendency is towards hell, we'll draw anguish and misery out of our basic surrounding. But if our basic state is Buddhahood or Bodhisattva or Buddhahood, we will enjoy the protection and support of the world around us. By elevating our basic state, we can transform our external reality and our environment." Thank you so much.